Hi guys, so welcome back to my channel. So today we are here at Lapita Resort. Dito siya sa may Riverland because we are planning to go sa Motion Gate and sa Legoland. And then I'll show you our room. So this is our room. We have, I think, king size bed, ottoman, and then merong sofa bed here. And then meron na place to work, the TV. And they provided teas, coffee, heater. This meron cabinets here. Cabinet, and then there. We also have the balcony. There. So nice. And that's Tom. Nadala nung nagkukuha ng bag sa car, nadala niya si Tom. So yun guys, let's enjoy the weekend. So we are going to stay here for 2 nights. And yung binook namin, yung inclusion niya is yung breakfast and theme park ticket. So since 2 nights kami, we have 2 theme park tickets access. So we're going to Legoland and then Motion Gate. What?
Batman.
Batman. So ano naman po masasabi niyo, Miss Cyclops? Sabi, nakikita niya na ang liwanag ng buhay.
Yes.
Miss 20 HD. Oo. Kung itong Osmo Pocket naka 4K, siya kanya naka 10K. Oo, 10K. 10K. So we're going to Legoland. Wag na, lakad na lang tayo. And yung package namin may kasamang theme park. So, kukunin namin yung ticket namin sa lobby. Hello guys! O tita, nasan yung vlogging camera mo? Ang isang vlogger. So, ito is located sa may Riverland, katabi ng mga theme parks. Ano ba tawag dun sa area? Riverland, motion, kasi diba Motion Gate. So merong Motion Gate, may Legoland na amusement park, and then merong water park. So yung pupuntahan naming Legoland is yung amusement park. We're here at the lobby and we're going to get our tickets. Ay, si Smurf! Si Smurf andito! Look, Smurf is here! Bye! Look! Ay, kunin natin ito. Smurf! Oh, hi Smurf! Here's the schedule of the parks. We are here at Riverland. Ito yung parang, ano to? Yung itsura niya. Parang Mediterranean, French. Ayun, Legoland. Ayun yung, Legoland Dubai. So, ayan. Ito yung map ng Riverland. So, we have Motion Gate. Ayun, Real Madrid World. Then, ito yung hotel namin, Lapita. And we are here. Legoland, Real Madrid. We We are here at Legoland. Sheikh Zayed. Burj Khalifa. There's the metro. So nice. Airport. The tower. We are riding the airport plane. Kaidi! Kaidi! Hey! Yayay! Smile! Yayay! Ha? Smile ka? So natapos kami dun sa may boat. Saya siya pero medyo nahilo ako kasi dahil dun sa water. Ay hindi pala. Hindi pala naka yung mic. We are healing our inner child. Actually yung bata ko parang wala mang Lego. Kailan ba to? Hindi ko na maalala ayaw. Kasi siya lang mag-isa eh. Cute dito no. Are you happy? Later. I guess na. Laki pala. Siya daw driver. Oh, look here, Kai. Come on. Wow.
Gumagawa tayong bahay. Diba? Yung mga yun, diba?
Test your police car. So cute.
Where's the house? Yeah, here. Where's the house, Kaidi?
Ang cute. Yeah.
Hindi kasama ka bata.
Sobrang masaya dito kapag meron kang kasamang kids kasi mag-enjoy talaga sila dun sa hala! Look! Mag-enjoy talaga sila dun sa mga rides kasi it's made for kids talaga.
Pero kung
And kids at heart.
Yeah, kids at heart. Pwede ka mag-enjoy din.
Yeah. Ano tong tinitingnan? May mga food din dito, Food stalls. Yung car. There's a lot. Ang daming dinosaurs. There's dinosaurs. Uy, come on. Careful. Slowly. There, look. There's a dragon. There's a dragon there. Inside. Try natin. Dapat malagay niyo sa color. Pataas dapat. Ang hirap pala nito. Jumbo? Ano yung orange?
Orange is po. Yung baby, yung baby.
Ano yun? Baby. Baby Jumbo. Baby. Anak na naman ng Jumbo. Ano yung white? Eh, hindi.
Kaso isang...
Isang ganyan lang.
Small isang medium.
Yay!
I-cheer mo.
Oo. Ngayon kami nakuha na 3 small na dragon. So, 30 dirhams 3 bola. Kailangan malagay mo siya sa collar. Oh! Definitely hindi pwedeng dalawa dyan. We are going to try the roller coaster. Saan siya? Okay. Wow, nice. The dragon. So, mag-roller coaster kami ni Rendon. Let's go! So, sinakay namin yung ano tawag dyan? Dragon. Ang saya niya. Ang saya. It's fun. Kasi hindi lang siya basta roller coaster. Meron kang papasukan na merong mga statues ng Lego bago ka nila dalhin dito sa labas. Sa outdoor. Ang saya niya, in fairness. Ito yung map ng Legoland. Hindi. Yan. So, mayroon mga stores here for souvenirs. So, sumakay kami dun sa may submarine. Super fun siya. What's that? Legos! Yan, cute. Keychains for souvenirs. Pwede mo siyang i-personalize. Bigyan mo ng name. Okay.
This one, R-E-N.
Yes. And then A and Z. Wala kami ng remember sa kitchen. Tapos PR shop. So kumuha lang ako ng ganito. Kitchen. It's personalized lang. Lagyan mo ng name. Kay Rendell color green. Lagyan namin sa house keys. So cute. So cute! Look! AJ. Ito kayo. See.
You want the paper bag?
Yeah, okay.
Remembrance from Legoland. So ngayon, kain kami sa McDo. Or McDo outside. Na malapit lang sa hotel. So we're done for today. And then tomorrow, we're going to Motion Gate. So nice here. Look. Ang ganda dito sa Riverland ng gabi. Actually, if I'm not mistaken, meron na siyang entrance. Before kasi free lang siya. Pero ngayon, meron na siyang entrance. I think 25 dirhams. 25 dirhams. For the Riverland entrance. And we're done. Thank you, Legoland. Sulit siya sa mga kids. Katawa siya. Yeah. So, we're done with Legoland. And we're going back to our hotel. Pero mag-take out muna kami ng dinner sa McDonald's. Alam ko yung McDonald's hindi nag-accept ng rewards. And wala din silang rewards dun sa application. So, we are just waiting for our food. Nag-self-checkout lang kami and we ordered burgers and rice and fries. Then after nun, punta na kami ng hotel, tapos doon na lang kami kakain para makapagpahinga na rin din after. Tulog na pala si Naya. So Cyclops, kamusta naman na experience nyo? Ayun si Cyclops. Minsan paggabi si April Boy.
Totoo. Hanggang 3 days lang, tapos okay.
Okay na siya. Ready better.
Pero nagda-drive pa. Hindi na masakit. Nagda-drive na.
Pwede na mabasa bukas. Pero, so, yung experience namin sa Legoland, masaya siya. Diba? Are you happy? Yeah, are you happy? Nakatingin lang siya. Wow! O, diba? Meron siyang shopping sa Lego Store. Legoland Store. Yung mga rides na pang kids talaga. Tapos puro parks na pwede mag-play yung mga kids. So, for kids and kids at heart. Kids at heart. So, we're heading back to our hotel. Nagkuha lang kami ng buggy. Lapita. And we are so hungry. I ordered rice, large fries, large drink, and double cheeseburger. How about you? What did you order? Siya din, nag-order din siya. Same nung sa akin. Kasi ang last kain namin kanina pang umaga. And we are back at our hotel room. So, we're back here at our hotel and magdi-dinner muna kami. See you guys later. Good evening guys. So, currently it's 9:19. Nagtatry akong mag-edit ng vlog tonight. So, kakatapos ko lang maligo and kababalik lang namin from Legoland and katatapos ko lang maligo. And kanina nag-dinner lang kami, nagkuha kami ng McDo and then tinikout namin dito. So, basically yung experience namin with Legoland, it's really for kids. Yung mga rides doon talagang pang kids and may mga parks, so mas madami yung, I think parang nakita ko, mas madami yung playgrounds dun sa mga rides or hindi lang talaga namin nalibot agad. Pero all in all, it was a nice experience. So if you guys have your family here, especially with kids, I would definitely recommend you to go to Legoland kasi matutuwa talaga yung mga bata dun. So yung rides, yung playground. Actually, there's 2 Legolands here in Dubai. One is the water park and yung isa is a theme park. So we opted to go to the theme park kesa dun sa water park. So ayun, and then tomorrow, since kasi itong hotel namin, itong Lapita Resort dito sa may Riverland, yung package na kinuha namin is with theme park. So yung stay namin dito, so 2 nights siya. So we have 2 access for 2 theme parks. So ngayon nag-Legoland kami. Then tomorrow we are planning to go to Motion Gate with our friends. Si Bern, si Kim, tsaka yung anak niya si Zane. I'm trying to clear out my my storage kasi since itong vlog ko, ang ginagawa ko is 4K talaga. Kasi syempre I want 4K. So kailangan ko ng malaking storage. So kumuha ko ng additional iCloud storage para at least mas madali sa akin na mag-delete na kasi ang laki ng kinukuha na video. So since 2 nights kami dito sa hotel, si Kali nasa daycare. Ayan siya, look. Kipaglaro siya sa mga friends niya. Maganda yung Barkville kasi they will update you every day. Pictures and videos. And in-instruct ko kasi sila na medyo naging picky eater nga si Kali. So, I have to ask kung kinakain niya ba talaga yung food niya. So, yan. Sinasend nila yung video ni Kali sa amin para to update us. So, yun guys. Mag-rest na lang kami and then tomorrow morning breakfast kami and then mag-ikot sa hotel, mag-swimming and then after that, punta na kami ng Motion Gate. So, yun.